Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are making chili idli. This is a very different kind of recipe. It is best served as a starter or even for tiffin box or lunch box. So let's get into this video. For that, here I have taken 8 idlis. So first what we are going to do is we are going to cut this into pieces, into cubes. So just cut as shown here. So if you are using fresh idli, here I am using fresh one. So what I did is I kept these idlis in fridge for 30 minutes and then I am using this for making chili idli. So you can do this method as well. So once we have cut this into cubes, we'll start frying the idlis. So there is no need of coating the idlis with any flour or anything. Directly you need to fry because rice itself contains a crisp coating on top. So there is no need of coating this with anything. Directly we are going to fry this. And these pieces are ready to fry. Now here I placed a kadai. Into this I have added some oil. Now I am going to fry this in medium hot oil. So one by one I am adding the pieces. Just like this. Very carefully you need to add each piece. Once we have added the pieces, now we are going to fry this for 2 to 3 minutes. Not more than that. Just so that it looks golden in color. Till then only you need to fry. Don't make it brown in color. Just for 2 to 3 minutes. So this is a very different kind of recipe. Definitely try. And once you make it, I guarantee you it is going to get over within seconds. It is that delicious. So once this is perfectly fried, just like this, carefully you need to remove them and place them on a paper towel so that all the excess oil gets drained off. And similarly, we'll repeat the same with other idli pieces as well. So fry same manner. Just like this. Once we have fried all the idli pieces, we'll start making the sauce. So for that, here I have taken a wok. To this I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heats up, to this I am adding 5 cloves of crushed garlic, half inch of crushed ginger, 1 green chili. I am adding it here. You need to slit this into half and add it. Now we'll saute this for few seconds just so that the raw aroma of the ginger and garlic disappears. So once the raw aroma of the ginger and garlic disappear, to this here I am adding 1 medium size onion which I have diced. That I am adding it here. Now again we'll saute this only for few seconds. We want the onions to remain crunchy, so don't keep on cooking, just for few seconds. And to this now I'll add 1 medium size green capsicum which I have diced. That I am adding it here. Now again we'll saute this for few seconds just so that the vegetable remain crunchy. And now one by one we will add the sauce. So there are not much ingredients in this recipe. Basic ingredients and very delicious. Now to this here I am adding 2 tablespoons of Szechuan sauce. So this is a necessary. You need to add this sauce. And to this I am adding 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Now I am going to mix this just like this. Once this is nicely mixed, to this here I am adding 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. One teaspoon of vinegar, half teaspoon of granulated sugar, and now again we'll mix this and see how easy this recipe is. Very easy to make and super delicious. You need to definitely make this recipe. It is very yummy. And to this I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I am not adding much salt because sauces naturally contain salt, so you don't need to add any salt in this recipe. Not too much salt or very little salt. Now to this here I am adding the fried idli pieces. And our chili idli is ready. Now you need to just mix this nicely Switch off the flame and serve this, or you can pack it for lunch box or tiffin box as well, and it is very delicious. Definitely try this recipe and give your feedback on the comment section below. I would love to hear your feedback. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and please do share this video with all your friends and family. Thank you for watching.